Assalamu alaikum, guys. As I promised, we will be talking about Sultan Murad Mosque. Sultan Murad Mosque was built in 1436 and it composes of a minaret, square prayer space. It stands on a low hill in Skopje's Old Bazaar and remains the only Sultan's endowment, or also called as Waqf in the city. Over the centuries, it has endured two major fires, the first in 1537, followed by a reconstruction by Sultan Suleiman in 1539. The second in 1689, when Austrian General Piccolomini set much of Skopje ablaze, including the mosque. Despite these devastating events, the mosque was rebuilt each time, reflecting its enduring significance to the local Muslim community. It was restored again in 1711 by Sultan Ahmed III, and later repaired in 1912 under Sultan Mehmed V. Due to these multiple reconstructions, the mosque's original appearance is hard to pinpoint. However, historians believe it once resembled two other mosques built by Sultan Murad II, located in Izmir and Bursa. Architecturally, the mosque is one of the largest and most important Ottoman monuments in the Balkans. It features a basilica-style layout and a four-ridged roof. An interior divided into three naves with rows of columns and a flat wooden coffered ceiling. The mihrab, minber, and mavil are from early 20th century renovations. Located next to Skopje's iconic clock tower, the mosque was designed by Hussein from Debar. Despite earthquakes and repeated fires, it has largely retained its function and presence, symbolizing centuries of Islamic faith and Ottoman architecture in the region. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you like it. Don't forget to share and subscribe. If you have any comments, please contact us. Leave a comment under any of the videos. We will try to respond to you as soon as possible. So please, let's share the knowledge for the common benefit. Take care.